I want you to stay, 'cause that's what this is. Always and forever, traditional economy, the same as all of your family. If you do, I'm doing too, 'cause I stay same as you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to do away from family. Types of economies, we are so much different. I know I said we never think of each other this way before. Can't change each other, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know why I command you. I am the government, I rule. I know what's best for this country. I'll do what's best till the day that we die. Set laws for regulation, tell you what to make, till the day that we're gone. I want you to see how you do your thing. You wouldn't believe if I told you you'll run this place alongside business, 'cause you're so good at it. Tell me you're the market, say you can't see it. Market economy, say you wanna stay, don't be stupid. And I don't know how rules stay set. Markets run this place, consumers choose. No clear rules set, but by your eye. Don't wanna see you sad. Tons of economies, we are so much different. I know I said we never think of each other this way before. Can't change each other, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I knew that we could mix it up. You had that same look in your eyes. Mixed economy, don't act surprised.